My advice for young physicians is, first of all, come to ESOC, because this is the most important conference.
I'm very happy that you have chosen to come here.
It's an excellent forum for somebody to present their work, and also to see much more experienced people present their work and gain tips. And it's a very constructive environment.
You will learn how to reason, how it's important to learn structured stroke care.
We also run a number of teaching courses and workshops throughout the conference which don't just deal with, if you like, matters of scientific fact. They deal with aspects of clinical care, they deal with aspects of research methods. So again, there is really something for all young investigators to gain from coming to ESOC.
Many of the young co-workers that presented papers in the last years are now in the main sessions as invited speakers.
If I had fresh research that I wanted to present, then I want to get this to as wide a reach as possible. I want to get my name known. So the answer there is to submit to the conference that has the highest number of delegates. And the ESOC conference is with 4,500 people coming along, the vast majority of whom are directly involved in research or in clinical work. This is the conference to put your abstract into.